Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mercedes-Benz G-Class and this is by Tomica and this is their mainline version. And this is actually very heavy. It is too heavy to be very honest with you guys. That's what I really love about Tomica because not every casting weighs the same and it actually varies from casting to casting just like the scale here. This is 1 is to 62 and I'm really curious because back then we unboxed something, I think Jeep Wrangler or so. That was a really beautiful casting. So I really wanted to see how they did this mainline version of this G class. So the box is damaged a bit. I mean, probably my mistake there. Okay. Nothing else is inside the box. Let me just put this down. Okay. Honestly guys, out of the box the casting looks really gorgeous and it is too freaking heavy. I think it will easily cross 50 grams if I'm not wrong. Okay, so detailing wise it has painted headlights and the logo placement is really awesome. Grill details are really nice. The paint job, I really need to say about this, the paint job looks really beautiful. I mean it is kind of glittery silver, I mean glossy glittery silver, so I can say. And yeah, see, as I told multiple times, you can see this particular casting has a different set of rims. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic, and it has some chassis detailing to it, which is good. And it has tail light details as well. So this is not removable, this is actually a metal piece. See, most of the time, most of the brands actually they do this spare tire part, in plastic, but they went with, like, full metal. God, that looks really nice, and it has openable part as well. Again, so if you guys new to Tomica, some main lines actually has openable parts. So we did unbox, some main lines which actually has openable parts in our channel. Couple of, I think a year back or so. I don't remember it now exactly, but we did do unboxing that those castings, and it has the rear view mirrors here, which is really nice. I mean, the casting looks really beautiful, even though the paint is simple silver color and it really stands out. And you can see the interior here, which is really good. It has openable doors. I'm really happy about that, and because it practically costs the same as the others which we unboxed, but it has an openable part. Snaps back right into the place, and I don't see any issue with the paint job or the windshields. Okay, the in the back part here, you can see this windshield here. These things, these are actually metal and they just painted black on it, on top of it. So that's why this casting weighs so much. And let's see if it has suspension. Yeah, it has suspension, and suspension is really smooth. It is not tight or anything. It is really smooth, even though the casting is really heavy, and it retains the original portion. That is really beautiful. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. I'm expecting easily 50 grams. Let's see. 61 grams. I mean, this is the very first casting in our channel. After we started weighing the castings, this is the very first casting which exceeded that, half century mark in our cricket terms. So this is the first casting which reached that 61 grams range. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, it reached till end of the track. I mean, it is not that fast due to the weight itself. It is rolling. I mean, it is grounded more to the track and it is rolling really well. And both wheels wobble a lot, but still, I really like that sound on this one. It does roll really well. Even though it has a wheel wobble and it makes the car roll, still, it rolls really well. I mean, there are two types of roll, don't get confused, guys. So in general, in technical terms, if a car is doing this motion a lot, which is called pitch, and if a car is doing like this, which is called a roll, while driving, So that is called pitch and roll. That's what they say, if I remember correctly. So when I told about the car actually rolls a little bit because of the wheel wobble, I meant like this. Okay, I'm really happy I actually bought this one. Originally, I kept, I thought I was thinking about keeping this back when I purchased this casting because it was heavy and it was really hard to, add so much weight on top of whatever I already bought, when I went to Malaysia. So, but end of the day, I picked it because the older one which we unboxed, I think again, the Jeep Wrangler, I guess I don't remember it exactly. It was a beautiful casting, but that looked so awesome. So I was expecting similar thing from this particular casting as well, and again it came like 99% close, maybe a little bit because of the acrylic headlights and all, maybe, I guess, but rest everything is absolutely beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.